Hey guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted since January. Do I have a reason for that? Not really. It's like March now, so hi. Today, I got my hair done. I got it dyed dark again. So I was like, you know what, like I want to take some pictures for Instagram. So I was like, you know what, let me just film a video because I haven't filmed a video in a really long time and I haven't uploaded in a very long time. So we're here today and we're back. So today I'm going to be filming an everyday makeup tutorial. Yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start out with my eyebrows. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. pomade and it's in the shade Espresso. Again, my hair is just been done, so we gotta match the eyebrows. I'm not gonna fill in my eyebrows. They're really dark, and I'm not gonna conceal them either because that is too much work that I don't want to do. I'm just gonna like lightly fill them in just to kind of tint them a little bit darker to match my hair. I'll get back to you when I'm done my eyebrows. Got you. Anyway, so just finished my eyebrows. Honestly, I know they're not the cutest. My eyebrows are not cute ever, so don't come for me. So now we're gonna move on to face makeup. So I'm gonna take this Glam Glow moisturizer. It's just like the little mini sizes that I got in the birthday gift from Sephora. And I just take a little bit of this and put it on like the high points of my face where I highlight my face, just for like a more like dewy like face makeup look. Okay, so now actually moving on to the face makeup, I'm going to first go in with concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution. I love when it's upside down. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. So what I do is I just kind of focus on one section of my face at a time. And then with that, I blend it out with my finger first, and then I go in with a beauty blender and blend it out again. Because when you blend it out with your finger, it just like looks more natural. So that's what I do. I looked really washed out. I'm so sorry. I don't know why the lighting's like this. I can never fix it, so it's just gonna have to stay like this. Hi, let me just see the little message. Dear Talya, is this annoying, the lighting? Let me know. Another thing about this concealer, I think I talked about this in my last video. It's literally a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, just so you know. And instead of paying $30, go ahead and get this queen. She's $8 from Ulta. What is this lighting? Okay, hopefully this lighting is better. Right, so now I'm like doing my makeup in the dark. I can't even see my face. Anyway, now I put this concealer under my eyes as well. I take a concealer brush and I do this first, and again like bring that onto my nose. Then I take my finger and I blend that out because I find that it just blends in better with my eyes instead of like giving me under eye lines and stuff. So now that we're done concealer, I'm gonna set that all. So I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just use that same beauty blender and just like set parts of my face. Now I'm gonna take just a BH Cosmetics brush. It's just kind of like a tapered flat brush, and I'm just gonna wipe all that bake off and blend it into the rest of my face. So now I'm gonna take this Tarte blush. It's in the shade Party. I got it in the Sephora free birthday gift set because why would I buy? I don't know where I was going with that. That was not funny. I'm just gonna use this as blush because it's blush. I don't usually wear bronzer because it looks really ugly on me. So I just use blush instead. I use this because like, I don't want to look like a piece of paper after like I put, what is my eye? What's in my eye? Okay, whatever. So now I'm going to do highlight. So for highlight, I use the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I use the, okay, I use the shade Sun Dipped. This is gonna be the wrong side, yeah. Sun Dipped and Moonstone. And I mix those together. Before I do that though, I just use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So let's do that first. And I just take this like Morphe brush. Okay, so then I just take this little smaller Sephora brush and I use that to do the inner corner of my eyes and also to do my brow bone. Okay, now we're gonna do mascara. All I do is take this eyelash curler. It's just a Revlon eyelash curler, and the mascara I use is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then sometimes I'll use this one. It's the Clump Crusher one by CoverGirl. This is literally empty. I only use it sometimes when this gets really clumpy and I need to like brush out my lashes, but like that doesn't always happen. So like we'll just see how it goes, and yeah. I hate curling my eyelashes so much, like it just doesn't work. Okay. I have a bald spot in my lashes. Do you see that? It's right there. Comment down below if you can see it. Okay, so I also put this on my bottom lashes as well. When I do this, it's not even that noticeable because I really don't like how bottom lash mascara looks on me. And I just take a spoolie. Okay, so now for like the finishing touches, I just take the Morphe lip gloss. This is in the shade Frosé. Then I take this e.l.f. thing. It's for your eyelashes and eyebrows. There's literally nothing left in here. I just kind of pretend there is. And I put that on my eyebrows. And then to finish off, I just use the Morphe setting mist again. And I also use the NYX Dewy Finish one. And yeah. Okay guys, so that concludes this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon, hopefully. Bye. Go follow me on Instagram. Bye.